You know, if there's one thing that people get wrong more often than not in the kitchen, it's cooking rice. I mean, rice is pretty simple to do and there's no real science to it. The only two rules you need to remember is A, don't overcook it, and B, make sure you get all the starch out of it pretty rapidly as soon as it's cooked. Okay, some people get the starch out before. In this method, I get the starch out afterwards. Okay, over here we've got 200 grams of long grain rice or basmati rice, whichever rice you want to use. Got that measured out into a container, and all we're going to do with this is to cook it off nice and fast in some boiling salted water. Okay, so we're going to get some boiling water into this pan, enough to cover the rice. Get the heat on. And you're going to need to have 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt into this water. And tip in your rice. And then basically just keep stirring this with a fork. Okay, so this rice is looks pretty much cooked now to me, so we're just going to do a little test. Just right. Let's get this off, let's get it under the cold tap pretty rapid. Okay, so get this rice into a sink, tap, cold water. And that's it. So that tap can run through the rice now, get all the starch out. And you want to keep stirring it with a fork for about 5 minutes or so. And we're going to drain it, let it dry. That's it. Job done. Put it in a container and you can warm it up in a microwave. How to make perfect rice every time.